Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a very quick early game EXP farm in Palworld, so let's get right into it. So you're going to need some stone. I'm going to have about 200 in my inventory. The more you have, the quicker it is. Also, I recommend you do this in your base and have a bunch of stone in a chest, because it's going to be even quicker. Firstly, you need to build 3 stone foundations, ideally on some flat land. And you need to make sure it's raised like this, so it's a reasonable distance off the ground, and you're just going to build 3 of them. After you do that, you need to build 3 stone walls above the foundations, like this. After that, you need to go to an end wall that you just built, and you need to build a stone roof, and the roof needs to go above it like this. After that, you need to build a stone staircase that comes down like this. And now we have got the setup needed for the bug. So now what we're going to do is, we're going to go back to our stone wall, and we need to basically build a stone wall around here, and then it will build, and then it will crumble straight away to give us the XP. And a reliable way to do this is to basically look around here, walk forward, and as you can see, the blue is kind of snapped at a midpoint, and then we can right click, and as you can see, we get EXP. You can see some low level characters leveled up. However, we're not building anything, and we can continuously right click to spam build a bunch of walls and get a bunch of EXP. As you can see, I had some very low level characters, and they are all approaching level 8. This is a great early game farm, but as you can see, I'm level 47. The amount of EXP we're getting isn't going to have a huge impact, but this is a really quick and simple early game farm. And once you've run out of stone, you can hit on escape to exit build mode, pick up all the stone, and then you can try again. So we go back to B, we go to stone wall, we look at the stone foundation like this, we walk into the range, the blue will snap to that midpoint around there. We can spam right click again. Get some levels. Let's quickly get to level 10 before we try again. And our character's level 10. We exit build mode to pick up the stone, and let's try it again. So I go to stone wall, I look at the stone foundation, I walk into the range. The blue build location preview will snap to a position where you can't build, but allow you to attempt to build. Then you spam right click to build continuously, and as you can see, it works. We get EXP. This is working on the latest update as of filming this tutorial. It's not good for late game, but for early game, or if you've got some pals you need to level up really quickly, this is ideal. And if you do it inside your base, you can use the stone from your chest, so you can right click quicker to get it all done. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Palworld tutorials. Thanks for watching.